Instagram. Hey guys, today we will see how to use Instagram. After installing Instagram on your phone, click on the Instagram icon. You can see the home screen. Below the home screen, there is an icon panel. Hope you guys are able to see that. On this panel, there is a home icon, a search icon, a post icon, activity pane, and account icon. So let's understand each icon one by one. We will go with home icon first. In home icon, you will be able to see all the posts posted by all who you are following. You can like the post, comment on the post, and even can send direct messages to the user. In comment, if you want to tag someone, you can do that as well. Just type his or her Instagram username like this. So let me show you with an example how we can do this. Neha Kakkar posted a picture, so if I want to make a comment on that post, I need to click on this call out icon and can write what I want to say and then click on post button. The comment will be posted. If I want to like a post, then click on the heart shaped icon. The color of the heart will change to red. If you want to send direct message to the user, you can click on the small airplane icon and send direct message to the user and click on send. Second, we will understand search icon. Through search icon, you can search a personality who is on Instagram. So to search a person, type the name of the person you want to search. Example, Virat Kohli. Then you will get a list of people having name account as Virat Kohli. Select the person you want to follow. Then click on the follow button. Next to the following button, you can see a button that is message. So if you click on this message icon, you can send direct message to that user on Instagram. So now we have understood home icon and search icon. Now let's understand how you can post your picture or video in Instagram. To post, you can see a post icon having a plus sign. Just click on this icon, select the picture or video you want to post, click on next. Now if you want to do some editing in the picture, you can do that, or you can skip it and click it on next. Now write a caption and tag your friends if you want. You can here add your location too. Once you are finished all these things, click on share. Your post will be visible to all your followers. Now let's understand activity pane icon. In activity pane icon, you can see view the request of people who wants to follow you. All you are following activities on Instagram and suggestions from Instagram. So the last icon is account icon. Here you can see your account details like your name, number of posts you have posted, number of followers, you have number of person you are following. Even if you want to edit your profile, you can do that as well here. Here you can view all pictures or videos you have posted, and you can even see that post in which you are tagged. Now let's see how you can log out Instagram account. Click on this icon and then click on settings icon. Here you will be able to see the logout option. Under this settings icon, you can also set privacy for your account and enable advanced security features. Here under this settings option, you can also send invite to your contacts. So this is how you can use Instagram account effectively, and you can see what your followings are doing and what your followers have posted. Thank you.